Today, we're going to talk about the Ego Power 15-inch string trimmer with power load. This is a tutorial on how to put new cordage in your trimmer when it is out and ready for a refill. So, for safety reasons, the first thing we're going to do is remove the battery. We just flip this switch here and then release the battery, and then that'll keep us safe while we prep the cord. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our cord and we're going to thread it through the head of the weed eater. And as you can see, there's two receptacles, and you can thread through either one, but you thread it through the receptacle, and you just have to wiggle it a little bit, and eventually it will come through on the other side. We just pull it through, pull it through, pull it through, and then we just eyeball it really close until we're just within an inch or two. After that, we'll take the battery, we'll insert it back into the weed eater. Like I said, we always want to be safe. And then we simply come down here. There is a button on the head of the weed eater. We just give it a double click. Sometimes it can be a little temperamental, but then once it starts, it sounds like a little machine gun. And we don't want to take it too far, but anyway, we get it pretty close. We don't have to be perfect. And then we just activate it. And as you can see, the cutters in the head will put the string at the right length. And then we're ready to go. Amazing, that's all there is to it. You can see over here to my left, you're right on the screen. I've got an Ego leaf blower. I've got an Ego 21-inch lawnmower. The thing I like most about this suite of products is all of the batteries are interchangeable. Hope this helps. Have a great day.
Do you run tournaments for up to 128 players or teams? Try a free trial of Bailey's Sports Brackets. Visit tournamentboss.com to get a free trial now. Share, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.